I would like to talk to you about creating an article marketing campaign. Essentially, this is, now we've talked about the multiple places that you can be submitting articles and how to write them, but now let's talk about sitting down and actually coming out with a campaign, a way to promote your site through article marketing. So, what are some things that you should keep in mind and focus on when creating your campaign? I want to ask that you utilize multiple article directories. Some people just submit to the top directory, Easy Articles. However, I'm going to go ahead and suggest that you submit to multiple ones simply because it's going to increase your range. If I want to get the word out on my website, I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket articles at the top directories throughout, not just one. So I'm going to recommend that to you as well. Deep and consistent linking. When you're linking to your website in your articles, I'm going to suggest that every single link does not go to your home page. You want to have the links vary. This goes back, this is a quick education on search engine optimization, but essentially, if all of your links point to the home page, that's one thing, but it's always better to have them split up. Uh, 50%, 50%, like half your links always pointing to your home page, and then the other half pointing to other pages on your site. So, in other words, if you write an article that's on dog clicker training and that's a specific page on your site, why not link to that page instead of the home page? It makes more sense. So again, deep and also be consistent with your linking there. You want to take things over a period of time. It's easy. I know sometimes when I have a new website, I get really excited to promote it, and I just want to sit down and pay to have a whole bunch of articles written and submit them all at once. But of course, it's not the best idea because you want to keep things natural. You want to have things progress, and that means submitting articles weekly. Every other day. People ask me, how often can you submit them? And I would not suggest doing it more than once per day. In fact, I think that might be a little bit too high. Maybe once every 3 days would be better. Um, I can tell you it's going to be a lot better, I think, to submit articles weekly over the next 30 weeks than it is to submit them one every day for 30 days because you want to have it be over a longer period of time. Because what will happen is you'll have the benefits right at first, but then it'll slack off. So again, experiment and find something that you're comfortable with. But again, I think it's better off overall to take things over a course of time, especially if you have a new site and you're just starting out, because if you have too many links too fast, that can cause you problems in the search engines too. Split testing is also something you should keep in mind. Let's say, for example, that you're writing an article on dog training, and you see that you could have them promote two different things. You could have two articles, but each promote a different product, and you find that the one converts better. Then of course you want to focus more time on the one that's promoted that's converting better. But if you never split tested it, you'd never know. Those of you that have done pay-per-click, split testing is a big deal, and you've probably done it, and you also want to apply it here.